Howdy everybody. Still out here doing some more sagebrush clearing. Sure looks nice to get that all cleaned up. We've been working on the driveway pulling out the weeds again. I sprayed a month ago when we were here. We've had a turn. The weather's been really cold, down to 27 at night. You never know, weather keeps changing. Little Massey Ferguson and a Woods BB60K, whatever that is. Brush hog. Sure works nice. Makes short work of it. Opens it up really good. He's going to go over there and get some of that dead stuff, or is he going to get that one right there? He's going to run down the edge of the driveway, open it up on both sides. Cleans it up. Nice little tractor. Dense, and yet it's kind of a twisted wood fiber. A lot of these are dead, dying. Nice to get it cleaned up. From Christmas Valley. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, leave a comment.